Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to turn off keyboard autocorrect on Android. So, let's get started. To start, the first thing you'll need to do is access your keyboard settings. If you're using Gboard, you should find that this method works without any issues. However, if you have a different keyboard app installed on your device, the process may vary slightly, but the overall steps will be similar. The process begins by opening the keyboard, which you can do by tapping on any text field in an app or document. Once the keyboard is displayed, you need to find the settings icon. This is typically represented by a small gear symbol, usually located either directly on the keyboard or within the app itself, depending on your device. Once you've located the gear icon, tap on it to open the keyboard settings menu. Inside the settings menu, look for a section that is labeled Text Correction. This section contains several options that help you personalize your typing experience. These options allow you to adjust things like blocking offensive words, enabling next word suggestions, and more. The specific option you'll want to focus on is called Autocorrection. If you wish to disable autocorrect, simply toggle this option off. The process is just as easy if you later decide you want to turn it back on. You can toggle it back on whenever you prefer. While you're in the settings menu, it's also a good idea to take a moment to check the dictionary section. This section gives you access to your personal dictionary, where you can add words that are important to you or remove words that might be causing issues. This is particularly helpful if you find that the autocorrect feature is constantly changing words that you use frequently, or if it is incorrectly correcting words that you tend to misspell. That's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you'll be able to easily customize your keyboard to match your preferences, whether you're disabling autocorrect or adding new words to your dictionary.